Hey guys, today we are going to be doing, so we have our Nerf guns here actually.
These are all
And
his though.
right, wasn't move. Right there. Right there. Is
Look at
the target, that bird. That bird right there. I can't touch it, too far. That bird right there. And we're going to be testing out different Nerf guns for accuracy. If you're better with this gun with accuracy or other guns.
Like this one.
Let's go. Okay, I will shoot first with the Mega. Put it in.
Sorry there, that was my thumb in the way.
You put it, no, you can't have it there.
Yeah.
No, because then we can't see if we hit the target or not.
Don't worry, I'll say. Right.
Oh, now I have to angle it again. There, I'm be shooting first with this gun. We're shooting by my glass door.
Don't hit me because I'm standing right next to it.
Well, I might.
Please don't. I thought this was an actual test.
And there's not allowed scopes because I have a scope. I missed. I suck.
The bullet did not hit the bird, it just went under.
Yep, okay, I'm
My
bad.
turn.
I'm bad with this gun.
Alright.
What if I just block that? I have no arm, look. Oh. Okay, he's going to be hitting that. He missed wide. Okay, now I'm going to be changing up my gun. My next gun is going to be this gun. It's just a spinning barrel gun. It doesn't really work too good. But let's just pray that it works.
Yeah.
Can't get it. Okay. Okay, I got it working.
I need a bullet. Where's the bullet that you had?
Okay, my bullet's gonna be shooting.
No, where's the bullet that you had?
Oh, no.
Where's the bullet that you... Oh, there. Dude, it's not shooting.
Oh, I missed. It will shoot. See?
Dude, you're not hitting.
Okay, I missed. I'm so bad. I'm so bad.
Wait, so now I'm gonna go.
It's his turn. Yep,
This
it's the
guy.
bird's turn. No, it's his turn. Going with the Mega gun.
With the scope.
Nope, no scopes. I said no scopes. See, I have a scope. It's pretty sweet. As you can see, it's called the yellow mode. See how it's yellow?
Right.
And then you can just like take that part off and then hang it there and then it's clear.
Alright.
So he's going to be shooting the bird. And he missed.
I just missed.
And my next gun is what he had first.
I literally just missed
Using
my hand.
this gun. It's pretty nice, but it curves off the walls. So if I do a trick shot and hit this, you give me $20. So my
20
shot
bucks off.
is going to be over here.
If you
It's
shoot
off
it,
the wall, and it's going to be coming at that bird. Okay? I just
if you shoot it, I'm not giving you 20 bucks. You hit me.
How close was I?
This hit my shoulder.
Oh, crap. No, that doesn't count because I did a trick shot.
Alright, fine.
I did one trick shot. So
Let's hope
my
your
shot's going to be
aim
here,
is
and watch
as
out,
bad
watch
as
out, I'm going to shoot you. Oh, crap.
No, it just landed right
No
here.
one's hitting this big target. This is actually big. Look how big this is. It's the size of my head. Like, I get headshots all the time. How can I not hit this?
How can I not? I'm going to try this. Kobe.
Okay, now go. It's your turn.
Alright, I had to use this one.
Jeez, what was that? Oh, there's a phone that's ringing. Where's I'll get the
And
phone?
here's the shot.
There's the shot, and he missed. Now, I know a gun that I want to use.
Whoever wins gets this.
What's it?
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Oh.
I'm be shooting my Jolt. I'm going to be shooting my Jolt. Just have to wait. I'll show you how hard it is. It moved it. No, it's supposed to knock it over. Okay. I don't know what the time is. 5 minutes in the video. I'm going to be shooting the jolt next. I'm going to be hitting that like that. Okay, so the jolt.
Whoever wins gets this.
Don't hit the camera, okay?
I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
Okay, I'm going to be shooting the jolt right now. Oh, wait, that should have counted.
He
It
just
bounced
missed.
No,
He just
it
missed.
It bounced off the wall and then hit it. So I get a reshot because it did hit it.
Alright, it's a reshot.
I get a reshot because it hit it, but it bounced off the wall. So that's so cheap.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna be shooting. Oh crap! My finger slipped.
So that would be a no shot.
That counts. So I guess I didn't hit it. And if he doesn't hit this with the jolt, then we're going to sudden death. Yes, sudden death.
I've always stuck with
My
this
gun is going to be the jolt. The jolt is going to be my gun of choice.
And my gun of choice is gonna be the Mega. I got so close with this gun.
Yeah,
I know I can hit it.
I came really close with this gun. Trying to redeem myself. What? It went under! Crap! If he hit this,
He hit right under that.
I hit right under that. I hope you saw that. Because look, I need to block that sun. He told me to open the window. Yes. Another, I'm going to be choosing the same gun. So cool.
I need to be choosing the next gun over next time, so
I'm shooting.
see what's going on.
Just missed.
He missed that.
He hit right here. He hit right here. Look. He hit this Toronto Maple Leaf. I think Montreal's a lot better.
I'll be using this gun for this next shot.
I'm sticking with this. I can shoot. Look. Pow! I just shot the camera.
Alright.
That's how
Here it
boss
is.
this gun is. Okay, he's coming. He missed. Wow.
I shot higher.
Why? Hey, I'm just gonna stick with this joke because I'm gonna.
This is sudden death, so whoever hits it wins it all. Wins this.
What?
He missed!
What? It's serious. What the heck? Everyone watching that says it probably would have hit because it literally
What's that?
hit like right there. It skinned it. Like,
But no hit. It didn't.
It didn't full on hit it.
It just
skinned
confirmed hit. It didn't confirm hit.
Okay.
So, all right. This is one of the great
I
shots.
bet you I'm gonna shoot it like this. Oh, he's going to be shooting.
I hit it.
No, you didn't.
What?
You missed.
Dude,
You said,
I could swear that might have went through. No, it didn't.
He said it might have went through.
No.
It sure did.
It didn't.
I swear mine went through it too. I was so close.
America, I don't know if he's gonna hit it.
What?
He missed. He
It
missed.
went through.
He missed.
It went through.
No,
I call it went through. I call it. It went
last
through.
time, so it doesn't count.
Okay, go. Hurry.
It doesn't count. All right.
Go shoot.
2, 1, shot.
He missed. I'm gonna hit this.
Same place.
Let's go, boys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm shooting. Get the edge of the camera so I can shoot.
He missed.
I'm going so close.
He
Go,
missed.
go. Fast. Because this video is going to take forever to. He missed. I'm going to shoot now. Oh!
He missed. That means it's my turn.
Go.
I hit it.
I have a chance.
Woo.
I have a chance. watch this. I'm gonna hit it. But it doesn't count. But look, I'm gonna hit
It
it.
doesn't count, so he's just
Hold on,
gonna
I'm gonna
hit a
hit
fun
it.
shot.
See, I hit it.
He hit it, but it still doesn't count, so.
Like, what the heck? What the heck?
I win the
That's
trophy.
so cheap. Ah!
Alright,
That'd
see you
be-
guys.
That'd be it.
Peace.
Peace.